Hey friends, if you wish to change the cursor on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on mouse pointer and touch, and you have a few options to change the cursor. So the first one is the usual one. The second one makes the inside black and the outside white, and this is actually better for the dark theme. I never experienced it, but it is actually better for the dark theme. And then you can try this one, which is a combination of both, and finally a colored one. Now the interesting part about the colored cursor is that you can also change the color, like you can make it pink or you can make it yellow. I'll show you what it looks like in the normal window, and then you can obviously increase the size of the cursor. And this is excellent. Look at this. Look at what the cursor looks like. What a funky design. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.